With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let's start the question. The question says that distinguish between the following pairs of compounds using the test given in the bracket. Iron, second sulphate and zinc salt using excess of ammonium hydroxide. Second, a lead salt and a zinc salt using excess of ammonium hydroxide. So first, let us differentiate between iron, second sulphate and zinc salt when ammonium hydroxide is added to both of the compound. So first is iron sulphate. So when iron second sulphate, that is FeSO4, is treated with NH4OH, it produces the dirty green compound of ferrous hydroxide. It produces dirty green compound of ferrous hydroxide and NH4 whole twice SO4. So this dirty green solid is further insoluble in excess of, NH4OH. Our second is when zinc salt, any zinc salt is treated with NH4OH, it produces the white gelatinous precipitate of zinc hydroxide. Produces white precipitate, that is gelatin type, that is gelatinous white precipitate of zinc hydroxide, which is further soluble in excess of NH4OH, So the differentiation between FeSO4 and zinc salt on reaction with excess of ammonium hydroxide is just that FeSO4 plus ammonium hydroxide, it generally produces dirty green solid of ferrous hydroxide, which is further insoluble in excess of NOH, whereas zinc salt, when treated with ammonium hydroxide, it produces the white precipitate of zinc hydroxide, which is further soluble in excess of NOH. Now our next is a lead salt and a zinc salt, again with the excess of ammonium hydroxide. Now this was the first part with A and B, we can take it as A and B. Now let's do the second part, which is a lead salt when treated with excess of NH4OH. So when a lead salt is treated with NH4OH, it produces the chalky white precipitate of lead hydroxide, PbOH whole twice. It is chalky white precipitate of lead salt, which is further insoluble in excess of NH4OH. So our next is salt is one is lead salt and a zinc salt, as we already done in the zinc salt. When zinc salt is reacted with NH4OH, it produces the white precipitate of zinc hydroxide, which is further soluble in excess of NH4OH. So this is the distinguish between the both. So if we see the question again, so our first question says when iron sulphate is generally insoluble in excess of ammonium hydroxide, whereas zinc salt is soluble. Next is lead salt is also insoluble in excess of ammonium hydroxide, whereas zinc salt is soluble in excess of ammonium hydroxide. So this is the differentiate between these salts. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.